How to hide your location in Life360 mobile app. So let's get started. Open the app, and there are two ways how to do it. You can click on your name on your profile picture and then create a bubble. Here we can choose the bubble, the size of the bubble, and now if you click on continue, you can choose the time. Maximum is 6 hours. Click done, and now your family members can you see only in this bubble, so they can really locate your position, right? Okay. If you wanna end this bubble, just click on active bubble and just pop the bubble, and your location is back. Second way how to do it is simple. Go back, click on this setting widget, location sharing, and simply just turn off your location like this. And here we go, your location is hidden. Guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.